Hey there, friends. I want to do a cool project in Google Docs. I need you to start a brand new Google Doc. And when it pops up, go with that blank file. And we are going to call our doc Thingiverse Things. Click up on the top, and remember Thingiverse is with an I. And when you've got Thingiverse Things put there, why don't we save time by copying it? And that's also going to be the name of our document. Once you've got that put in, I need you to center it. Pick a cool font. I'm going to do impact. I'm going to make it huge. I'm going to make it a cool color. And then I'm going to press enter so I'm on the next line. I'm going to change the font back to size 14. I'm going to change it back to Arial. And I'm going to move it to the left so I'm ready to build my project. We are going to use this awesome file to collect at least 5 things. Let's collect our 5 things in a table that has 2 columns and 6 rows. In the first little box, this is where we're going to put our image. So type the word image. In the second box, we're going to put a link. I need you to take both of those and center them, make them bold, change them to a different color, and then let's find our first project. To do that, I want you to find Thingiverse on the internet by visiting thingiverse.com, and then use the search button to find something cool. For instance, I am going to find a goat. You can find anything that you want. When you search, wait patiently for them to show up. And then as you look at all the cool goats, see if you can find one that you think is cool. I kind of like, this goat's movable. That's kind of cool. This one's a nice, easy print. So I'm going to pick it as my favorite. And then I am going to do a screenshot of the goat. I'm going to do that with Nimbus. And I'm going to capture a selected area. And I'm just going to grab a small picture of my nifty goat. I'm going to name it Goat instead of all the gobbledygook. I already did this once, so I'm going to call him Goat 2. Then I'm going to go back to my Thingiverse Things, and I'm going to insert that image. Inserting an image is an upload from the computer. There's my goat file in the downloads. And then I'm going to add a link to the file right here. I'm going to simply type link. I'm going to select it. And then I'm going to add a link using the link button. Now I just need to go back to the backcountry goat. And I need to copy the link so that I can share it. With that copied, I go to my nifty little project and I paste it in. And I apply it. You need to finish this project by getting 5 total cool things, each with their own link. I want you to click on each link, and I want you to test it and make sure it takes you to the web page. And when you have successfully built that, then I need you to do a screenshot of all your page using Nimbus, and I need you to turn that screenshot in to Google Classroom. Have fun building a cool set of awesome Thingiverse links and Thingiverse projects. I do not need the top one when you turn it in. I just really want to see the cool pictures that we find. Name it Thingiverse Links or Thing Links or something like that. And then return to Classroom. Open your Thingiverse Things assignment. Add that file and turn it in. Once you've done that, you can continue with any of the explorations I've given you in our computers course. Thanks for watching. I hope you found some cool things that you can try and earn in class. And if you've got the ability, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Jackson.